Once again I am back with a new video tutorial which is related to the Singapore based VPS server hosting plan. So basically why we require the Singapore based VPS server hosting plan. This is the very first question whenever you try to book a Singapore based VPS server hosting plan. So basically if you think that your business is located in Singapore, then you require the Singapore based VPS server hosting plan. Okay, so and if you think that you are looking very affordable and cheapest Singapore VPS server hosting plan, so just log into the Onlive server, that is onliveserver.com. Whenever you log into the onliveserver.com, then you will see a very first interface of our official website. So this is our navigation options like a dedicated server, VPS server, cloud, hosting, SSL certifications. So we will go through the VPS section. Okay, now here we will get the multiple country wise VPS server hosting plan. So we will choose the Singapore based VPS server hosting section like this. This one is the Singapore based VPS server hosting plan. Like click here, then here you will get up to the 4 plan, and very first plan that is available just $21 per month, and with this plan you will get 1 core processor, 1 GB of RAM, 30 GB of hard disk, and 1000 GB of bandwidth. And this plan is based on the KVM based plan. Okay, with this plan you can also host your multiple website, or you can get the higher best suitable for the startup business. So to buy this plan you can click on the buy now button. So whenever you click on the buy now button, then you will redirect to the configuration page. Like with this plan you will get in 1 core processor, 1 GB of RAM, that is all you have already know that whatever you are getting, and storage capacity will be 30 GB, and the bandwidth speed will be the 1 TB of data centers data transfer. And with this plan you will get 1 dedicated IP, and this plan is based on the operating system like a Windows or Linux based operating system you will get with this plan. And this plan, if you think that if you face any kind of the issues or any kind of the help, so you can contact us via the ticket section or the Skype chat. Okay, now the server location will be the Singapore. So after scroll the page, just you will get the some of billing sections, like choose the billing cycle. Like here you will get 4 options like monthly basis, quarterly basis, semi-annually or annually basis. If you think that your budget is very low or semi budget, so you can choose the monthly basis or quarterly basis plan. Like with if you think that if you choose the quarterly basis plan, then you have to pay up to the 6 months of charges in advance. And if you think that your budget is very low, you can choose the monthly basis plan. So we will go through the monthly basis plan. Like just scroll the page. Now here you have to fill your host name, like this one. Now, and here you have to fill your password, whatever you want to keep it. Okay, now NS1, here type the NS2. Now just scroll the page. Now this is the configurable options, like if you whatever you are getting with the operating system, like whenever you click on the operating system section, and here you will get multiple operating system options like CentOS, Debian, Ubuntu, and Windows based operating system, Fedora, OpenSUSE operating system, and custom operating system. So some of the chargeable like Windows based operating system are chargeable, and Debian, Ubuntu or CentOS based operating systems are absolutely free. So choose according to your convenience or according to your budget. And if you want to get the some of additional information or additional IP, then you can click here. Like as you know that you are getting 1 dedicated IP with this plan, and you think that you require some of additional IP, then you can choose here. That will be absolutely chargeable, and I'm selecting no additional IP, and the data center and the bandwidth speed, this one, and the control panel. These are some of the control panels. Okay, like Flash control panel, JAD panel, WebMin, Centora, Vesta CP. These are some of the control panel options. So choose according to your convenience, and the data center location will be the Singapore. Okay, after getting these information, just click on the continue button. Whenever you click on the continue button, then review and checkout page will be display. Like this one is the first one, there I will cut it. Okay, now just review these informations and click on the continue button. Like if you think that you require the two plan of Singapore VPS very first plan, then you can increase your quantity like 1 2 3 4 5. Like I will keep it 1. Now click on the checkout option. Now here you have to fill your password or some of the additional information like your first name, last name, email address and phone number, and your company detail like your company name, address, your city name, company city name, and country name. Just scroll the page. Here you will get some of payment methods like we accept the payment through the credit card, debit card, net banking, wallet or UPI. So we also accept the payment through the Bitcoin, Union Pay, Alpha Click, PayPal or PayUmoney. So choose according to your convenience, do the payment and complete your order. I hope this video is absolutely beneficial for you, and this video is help you to book cheap and best hosting services or hosting plans. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.